Okay, I want to tell you guys a story about cough drop person. We're going to call cough drop person Nancy. So Nancy comes to the office, prick her finger, because Nancy has diabetes. A1c is 14.5%. I'm not exaggerating that number, okay? Average blood sugar has to be around 400 or 500. Easy, okay? I'm pretty sure she's on her way to a dialysis chair. Nonetheless, heart failure, HEF on PEF, all that good stuff, okay? Cardiomyopathy, all of the apathies too, all right? So I said, hey, listen, we've got to do something about your blood glucose. And she says, Berberine. And I'm like, okay, I get it. Berberine does help with your blood sugars. I said, but you're a little far gone for Berberine, ma'am. A little far gone for Berberine. Nancy says the reason why her blood sugar is elevated is because she takes cough drops. I'm like, oh, that's interesting. How many cough drops? Oh, 1 or 2 a week. I'm like, Nancy, I assure you that your blood sugar isn't 14, your percentage isn't 14.5% A1c because of cough drops. She says that you're not telling the truth. And I was like, okay, well, I said, well, help me understand what your blood sugars look like at home. Oh, 80s, 90s. Can you show me your meter? No, my meter is up here. And I said, well, how does that work? And she was like, I know when my blood sugar high. I know when my blood sugar low. I was like, all right. She was like, what I'm here for, doc, since you know everything, just like what they said, since you know everything, why is my vision blurry? So I pulled my mask up a little bit tighter because it's laughable. It's laughable. Well, Nancy, your blood sugar, your vision is blurry because your blood sugars are high. Your A1c is high. We need medication. We need insulin. We need to get this together. She says one word, Berberine. I said, well, okay. So nonetheless, Nancy left on Berberine, and I wish her well. And it's like, sometimes when people are ambivalent, you try to educate them. We try to talk to you about certain things. And some people are just so stubborn, they don't listen. And I get it. They have rights. They don't have to listen if they don't want to. But it becomes really, really sad when now their children come to the doctor's office because something's going on with mom, and mom's memory is bad, or mom's not had a heart attack, or dad's had a heart attack. And then they come in with their family member and learn all these things. And it's unbelievable to them, like what's going on with their parents, okay? So let me know in the comments below if you contact your parents when they go to the doctor and want to know what's happening, okay? Like when they used to do you when you did your homework, asking you why you got this wrong and why you didn't do that. Let me know if you ask your parents about this.
Yeah. IHM, we in the house. Step in the game, put your health on track. No long waits, yeah, we cut that back. Click, connect, now you feel that flow. IHM Telehealth, yeah, we run the show. Labs on deck, know your numbers right. Quest got you covered day or night. Custom vitamins all in one. Feel your best, yeah, the work gets done. No stress care, we keep it real well. IHM Telehealth, take control of your health.